So I've got a friend who's a contractor, and he's been doing this for probably 60 years. That's him there. And he's showing me how to use his excavator to see if it's something that I could try to use. I'm not afraid to attempt things, so why not? And we may even buy one because he tells me that they hold their value very well, and he's given me instructions on what to look for in terms of hours of use and wear and tear, age, a bunch of stuff like that, quality. We looked at a cat, and just like his here, it's a 303. It's a 30 horsepower, and I used it, and it was a lot of fun. And anyway, he's teaching me how to use it here. But with that said, I have to say that I'm very grateful to people who have come and helped me. But they're coming every couple of weeks, and they stay for maybe 4 hours, tops 5 hours. So it's just going to take forever if I depend on them. And I don't think I should. They've been very gracious, and I am very grateful. But I think it's time that I stepped up to the plate and did something to either rent an excavator or purchase. So we'll see. We're going to look into that and take the next step toward fixing the river. Here I'm at his property, and he's showing me how to use the excavator. It was a lot of fun, and I think it'll be, a great experience. Add one more thing to my list of I did that. So I'm looking forward to it. So I hope you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, or just follow me along. I'm grateful for any participation and comments and help that y'all can give me. Thank you.
Touch anything while he's under there.